Hi, this is John Conway. Today we're going to be replacing the spark plugs in a BMW Oilhead motorcycle. There are two plugs and they sit inside a deep recess on either side, and they're covered by a spark plug cover, which is relatively easy to get off. You just pull it out and away from the engine itself from the rear. You can see here the spark plug cover coming off. Next, we're going to use the BMW tool. Now, it's important to use this tool, or you can get by making a noose and a piece of string, but I'm pulling it from the head of the assembly. But it's important you pull this straight out, don't bend it. Now here we can see the 16 millimeter socket on the end of an extension. This is the deep well socket, and the tolerances are so tight it's a easy fit. And here we have the little Jasper himself, looking pretty good. Now on the other side there was a problem, and this is due to gasket compression that was fixed once new gaskets were put in. But that 16 millimeter socket could not get past the donut inside of the valve cover, which we'll see in a second, which means taking off the valve cover itself to get to the spark plug. Now with this, you want to make sure that you're set up for oil leakage, because you're going to lose about 2-3 ounces of oil, enough to make quite a mess once you take the valve cover off. And here we have the valve cover off, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove the spark plug with the same extension and the same 16 millimeter socket. Once you have the spark plug out, look inside where you just took the spark plug from and see if you can see this gasket. If this gasket has remained behind, you want to take it out and either put a new one on or put the old one back onto the valve cover, preferably a new one. When you have this situation, it's better to use new gaskets all around. Now here we have the spark plug ready to be installed. Now we're going to put the spark plug covers back on. Now here are the two attachment points for the spark plug covers. You're going to mate the two tabs you see here with the two recesses that are in the valve cover. And here are the two recesses. And next we're going to show them mating. And what we do is we mate those four pieces together and then use your fingers to walk up to the front of the cover, and then you're going to snap the very end of the cover in place. And you shouldn't ever lose a spark plug cover. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.